Hello Sagittarius, welcome to your reading. If you're new guys, I'm Miss Edie and welcome back darlings. It's always a pleasure to see you again and thank you again so much for letting me into your homes. I just have a quick announcement just because we're still in the planning phase and in case the news comes out before my next video, I need you guys to definitely make sure you subscribe and check the community section because I am putting together a strategy call with the Tony Robbins team's member, and if you guys did the challenge with me this past week, then aren't you guys fired up too? So just a super quick announcement because I want you guys not to miss out on this. I'll be putting it together sometime in the next month before the next major event. So just a little bit of promotion, but mainly because that is also why I started this channel. So to me, it's a very special thing that I would really like for most of you to take this time, especially if you're looking for any guidance, inspiration, or ideas. This is the kind of thing for you. Please go to my website, missedietarot.com, anywhere on the chat box, wherever, just send me your information that you're interested. Your email address is needed so that we can send you the active link, but please, it's only for people who are interested. Otherwise, don't forget to check out my book, which talks about all sorts of fun ideas and inspiration. And thank you guys so much for all your beautiful orders. It means so much to me. So let's get right into your reading, and there will be extended. Let's see what else is coming through for you guys. What is coming through for Sagittarius? Ooh, okay, what's happening? So we do have the World card. You guys could be, of course, feeling like you're going through a lot of changes, some victories here. And I feel like for many of you, you're leaving behind you a period of stagnation and you're just having this like whole beautiful energy coming out on top, overcoming a lot of the different things that were maybe burdening you or taking down your time here, really changing aspects for you with the World card. I'm also feeling travel. I'm feeling, maybe you're being recognized, maybe you're getting some kind of global recognition, which is amazing. So congratulations, Sagittarius. You could just be going through a major phase of your life where you've kind of overcome a lot of stuff. If you're dealing with someone, they can definitely be seeing you on a pedestal and they have you really highly, they really highly regard you, okay? Let's see what else is coming through. We got these ones. So we have the Nine of Swords. So I feel like for some of you, your person could be feeling like, they've lost this, they've missed out. Maybe some of you are going in a different direction, or this is sort of what's going on the inside. At late at night, you're up thinking, replaying scenarios, kind of feeling a little haunted. And that makes sense because you might have a little bit of insecurities or stress. This can also be your person. So please take these how they resonate. These are general readings. I'm just picking up on the vibe here. And for some of you, it's sort of like outside you look like this, but inside there's a lot going on. So hello, you're human. We're all the same, okay? So I feel like whatever's going on here, you're just going to need to learn from this stuff. Some of you could be, of course, really trying to gain wisdom on situations and kind of trying to find out why things are happening. We're having the full moon in Leo, which is really asking you to step forward. It is a fire energy. It's also your sister sign. So that can be also impacting you to also be putting yourself out more. How can you be of more service? How can you shine brighter in a higher, bigger scale here? Now with the Nine of Swords, you could be dealing with a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius, but there could be some things, some stuff that people have told you that you're letting go of. You need to make peace with a little bit of that because I feel like there's some broken heart energy here. For some of you, if you're getting out of a connection or you're moving away from a situation, you're both kind of taking this time here for recovery. And again, just take it easy. Maybe things have been a little bit too burdening. Maybe you're just feeling very overwhelmed because it is, oh yes, it is the retrograde too. So just be cautious here because things are going to be a little delayed. They may not go as you want, but I see a very positive start to this. So I feel like sometimes when things are going too good, you kind of question it and you start worrying about it. And that's like, okay, now I got to do all this stuff. You get to a new level and then you get all this extra anxiety and stress here as well, which could be after some kind of heartbreak here. Heavy energy, Sagittarius. I'm really sorry to hear this, but I do kind of see that there is this healing that's coming through here with the Four of Swords. So even though we have the Three of Swords, I feel like there's this period of recovery that is really, really needed. And it can be because you are dealing with situations that are hurting here. And as usual, when we go to another level, there are people who can't come with us. And that's just in all phases of your life, specifically on your spiritual journey. If you've been doing this for a while, you know that there could be situations here. Maybe someone was a little bit manipulative or deceptive here too, or perhaps for some of you, This is sort of speaking to that sabotage, and this can be another situation here. I do see, because I have the Hangman here as well, there could be a separation happening. Maybe you and your person are currently separated, and that's what's causing all this heartbreak here, because you want to have this victory, you want to be able to come back together, or this person truly sees you on a pedestal and might feel like right now they're going through some kind of heartbreak and loss. There's just a period of time here, because part of the separation too could be sabotaging the connection, or the distance and what is like, you know, this heartbreak here, it's kind of causing all this anxiety, because I feel there's a lot of stuff happening. But these are, again, thoughts, so we just have to be cautious here too. Part of the separation is needing to see the also the, you know, Hangman's about seeing things from a different perspective. So I do see a lot of air here. You could be dealing with an air sign, or these are just your internal thoughts. And sometimes if you don't heal these swords and you don't heal past heartbreaks, they will come back, because the thoughts that you have are about past situations, not necessarily what's going on in the present. And again, it's also for your awareness, so that you can heal that and remove those situations from your life. So needing to see things from a new perspective. Is the person you're dealing with actually the person who caused these things? Or is this past situations and past heartbreaks that perhaps you're realizing that you need to heal, that's coming forward here for illumination as well, with the light here behind you or behind this person, where they're kind of needing to realize this. There's this element of a lot of insecurities, and I feel it's more related to past hurts and past pains. And maybe for some of you, this person might have tried to get away with something here, sneak around or play around with your feelings, however this applies. I'm really sorry, but I gotta say it, I'm being honest with you. So I feel like, again, with the Hangman is needing to see things from a new perspective, because you have to be put into this situation in order to be victorious, in order to come out on top, but more importantly, so that you can be illuminated. And someone may be getting illuminated here. You may be awakening, having your beautiful energy is going to be shifting. But again, a spiritual awakening is not all Humpty Dumpty, you know, I'm beautiful. It's a whole process. You fall off and you feel like you get cracked up here. So there's a lot of stuff that's breaking through, and I truly feel someone is having a breakthrough here, possibly because of a heartbreak or through a heartbreak, because sometimes we got to have those growing pains, right? What's enough is enough, and you got to move forward. So next one, we have the Four of Cups. Oh, interesting. Four of Cups with the Four of Swords. So maybe there's this element of recovery here too. Maybe there's something that's coming out of nowhere that you weren't expecting. I do feel like there's this element of needing to rest, needing to get grounded, needing to kind of take a little bit of peace here. Perhaps you've been very stressed out with a lot of stuff and anxiety. Maybe there's a lot of pressure to perform or pressure to do something here, because I feel like sometimes we sabotage ourselves too by upsetting ourselves. I know, like, if you suffer anxiety, I do too. And there's a lot of stuff here when you like have so much that you're trying to do that you're no longer kind of excited about things, and it's sort of like you push yourself, but you're burning yourself out. Okay, so trying to balance that, because I feel like there's a beautiful, happy opportunity coming towards you. You could be in a very good space, and possibly while you're resting and recovering, do a little research, because we're reading a book here. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, or a Pisces, but someone is also kind of like having this aha moment, and that's sort of where I'm feeling it's like that cup that's coming down from the divine there, where they're kind of just like, oh my God, this is a great idea, or I really do love this person, and then they want to come towards you, because also we have the Queen of Cups. So this could be someone here that, you know, is trying to offer their love. Maybe there's a rejection here too, depending on how it is. I feel like with this cup coming through with the Queen of Cups, this is someone who truly loves you, someone who could be nurturing, caring, someone who's like got children here too, but it can be a mother of your children, because I always connect with this one. And we do have two puppies. Whether dogs are significant or twins are significant for you, they mean different things, but there could be this element of heartbreak or separation here, or perhaps there's just some disappointment. This may also relate to your mother as well. However it applies, we do have the Two of Swords. So there's some big choices that's happening, Sagittarius. You are kind of also being divinely protected, and I feel like if you are separated at this time, then there is this choice here for what is truly best. How can you heal from this? How can you recover from this? And this may not even be a current situation. These might be past situations that perhaps you've never allowed yourself the time to heal. And I feel like for some of you, you could be holding on too tightly to a specific outcome. And because you have something so specific on how you want it to turn out, it may be part of the delay. And you kind of have to allow divine intervention, or of course allow, whatever you believe, the universe, God, however system of faith you have, because I feel like if you're so focused on what you want, then it doesn't leave room for, co-creating with other people, with the universe, with different dynamics and energies here. So part of it too is sort of needing to kind of surrender. Maybe there's a surrender happening and someone is opening up, because the Four of Pentacles for me is always about the heart chakra. So again, earth energy here could be a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, could be someone far from you, could be someone foreign and exotic, but there's definitely this element here of someone who wants to open up their deepest treasures. Something very beautiful here is trying to come towards you. I do feel it's going to make you really happy. Can be a reconciliation for some of you. Now, again, that can just mean if you were separated because of the circumstances, or you have been far apart, this person could be traveling to come towards you, or you doing this healing and having this realization is kind of like, all right, let's call the girls, let's call the boys, let's get together, have a little fun if you can. Again, a reminder, not every country is fully affected right now, so take it how it resonates to your situation. But it's also even just connecting with people on social media and getting together. We have a Zoom party or some kind of room party here with the different apps you can use that. And I feel like it's kind of breaking free from something. You do have two cards relating to blindfolds, so I do see her blindfolded as well as the angel wings on this one as well. So there's certainly something that you're not seeing it for what it truly is, or perhaps you're still stuck in this, but you have to kind of step out and step into who you are. These two also combine to make it the Ten of Swords. So for me, there could have been a period of depression or a period of defeat, or maybe other situations that didn't go well. I do also feel like perhaps there was some negative, not influencers, but negative people around you that weren't very supportive in the past or even currently. And I'm just gonna really tell you here, you have an amazing potential here with the World card, and I'm being honest, you have extraordinary abilities. Whatever it is, you do it with love, and no matter what other people say, because sometimes it's the people closest to you who don't support you, and you have to make it happen yourself. And even in the process, you will lose a lot of people on this journey, because you're going to become truer to who you are. And as you start finding people who are more appreciative of what it is that you're opening up here, I feel like whether it's this person, whether it's more than one person, because you could have several offers coming towards you. That's why you got to be gentle, okay? With the heartbreaker here, you gotta let him down gently, Sagittarius, relax. But I feel like in many ways too, this is also asking you to step out and really take that blindfold off, see things from a new perspective, because you're probably far more blessed than you realize. And at the same time, just always a little humbling thought, I think, like there are people praying for our problems, and depending what it is that you're going through and what's happening here, I feel like don't allow your negative thinking to get the best of you. And in many ways too, you need to break free from this and love yourself, because whatever those past pains were, you're needing to learn from them. Maybe research is involved, maybe personal development is involved, but there's a lot of positivity coming towards you, Sagittarius, and I feel like this person may be preparing to open up, but you're both kind of stuck in your heads, so you really need to step out. Now, I'm definitely going to be exploring this in the extended. We're going to see what's going on, but I do see a Queen of Pentacles, and why I actually like this is because we have two queens here. Could be same sex, no judgment. However, it can also just mean someone who's at your level, and maybe before, so we got the wounded warrior, we've got someone trying to control the situation, maybe things didn't go the way you wanted and that caused the heartbreak, or the need to have the heartbreak was because there could have been some triggers here. I'm definitely going to explore it in the extended, but this Queen of Pentacles again could be earth energy. You got earth, water, air, no fire. So I think that's what's missing, is all the action. But I feel like this person could be wanting to take this, heal this, have an apology come through, and offer some kind of stability there as well with the Queen of Pentacles. All right, Sagittarius, I love you guys so much. Please definitely check out my book. And like I said, follow all the social media links. You can find my Amazon affiliate link below, as well as all my Linktree links that tell you where to go. And if you check out the website, it'll give you all the information. So like I said, Please let me know if you're interested in doing that business opportunity. It is again for business professionals or anyone who is interested in taking themselves to a higher level, or just discovering what maybe might spark your idea here to start something new. In times like this, we have to be resilient and we need to be resourceful. So I'm just trying to help you guys out to have an option for that as well. So God bless all of you. Love and light. Thank you so much for everything, and thank you so much for being here. Please do check out the other videos if you are looking for any more clarity or guidance. And members, I'll see you shortly, and you can find those links below. God bless. Take care. Bye.